Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to edit the coming soon page design in Hostinger website builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then from this left side menu, click on websites, then websites list. Now click on this edit website button next to your website built using Hostinger website builder. Just a quick tip if you have lots of websites, mixed websites between WordPress and Hostinger website builder, to differentiate between websites, you can look to these icons. And for example, this website is built using WordPress, and this one is the Hostinger website builder icon. Now click on this edit website button. Now to edit, by the way, this website, let's first visit this website. Where is the domain? This is the actual or the coming soon page of this website. If we look here, as you can see, the coming soon feature is enabled. To edit this page design, it's simple. Just go to edit coming soon page, click on it, and you will be redirected to this page. Now this is, I have a little copy that I want to, yes, copy or text. This is my copy. I will make this title a little bit smaller. Let's keep it white. Same thing for this body text. I will turn it to the white color. Let's delete this phrase and make if you don't see this undo button, if you can't click the undo button, just click on Command Z on MacBook or Control Z on PCs. Let's now be the first to know. I will make it a little bit, delete this. I will make this text also white. And now let's, same thing. If you want to add a image, it's simple. Let's first delete this one. Click on this plus icon and drag and drop this element. To edit the photo, just select it and click on edit image. Click again on replace image. You can upload your photo from your computer or use the free images by, I think they use the Unsplash service. Let's delete this photo. If you want to add your social icons, you can make them bigger. Click on, select the social icons element, then click on edit. I'm looking for the size tool. Just use the slider from the style tab to make the icons bigger or smaller. To edit your social links, go to the platform and hit edit. First, click on this little circle and select edit. Now, edit your social link and hit verify. If you want to delete us, let's say you don't use LinkedIn, to delete it, instead of edit, select delete. Now I will delete this social element, and I want to add a form to let my website viewer or the coming soon page viewer subscribe, so I can contact them when my service or website is available. what I can do is add element, select contact form element, drag and move it just like that. Now I only want to collect the name and the email address. To do it, click on edit form and go to the fields tab and go click on the last name. Click on this down arrow next to last name and click on remove field. Same thing for the message field. Remove the message field. And to make a field required, you can select it from here. This field is required. To edit the submit button text or design, it's simple. Just go to the button tab and you can edit it. For example, be the first to know. You can also edit what the website visitor see after filling this form. For example, he can see I will or I'll let you know when I open this website, for example. To edit this contact form, for example, you can give it a name, for example, an easy to distinguish name, for example, coming soon page form. Click on save. And you can also change where the email notifications will be sent after each form submissions or submission. You can play with the style of the form, for example, the text font, the label size icon, the field text size, and also the color, and many things. And for the animation, you can give your form an animation to grab the viewer attention. Attention. To stop this website viewers from scrolling, just make this section a little bit shorter, just like that. Let's view this design live. View site. And as you can see, everything is above the fold. So no scrolling is available on this page. This is to make or to force the viewer to pay attention to the subscription form. And let's look for how to edit this page background photo. Select the section first, just like that. Click on edit section and go and from the first background tab you can select between going with a color, an image, or even a video. I will go with an image. I don't have a photo to upload. I will search for the free images from the Unsplash service. This is a cool background. Click on add photo, and now let's update the website or this page again. View website live. And this is how to edit the coming soon page design in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.